Hey friends, in the WordPress question and answer video series, we are discussing most common WordPress errors and its probable fixes. In this video, I am going to show you how you can migrate a WordPress website correctly. Yes, I am focusing on correctly. Case maybe if you are willing to migrate your website from one domain to another domain, like one domain to another subdomain, or the second case may be if you are willing to migrate your WordPress website from one hosting to another hosting, and who can be the user of this case. Like if you are a developer and you have developed a WordPress site on a test or temporary domain, and second case may be if you have developed a website on a pre-production, I mean on test server. So the method that I am going to show you is only applicable to live websites. So if you have a live website, like let us assume on one domain, and you are willing to migrate on another domain or even hosting, this method can be used that I am going to show you. But why I am covering this video in WordPress errors and fixes, this may be a very good thinking or question in your mind. So because what we have seen at our iCreate program, the errors and issues arises when the migration is done. So like a developer created a website on a test domain, and further it finally migrated to original domain, and he did not tested the website, functional website properly, and the issue comes on the new website while the development site was perfectly okay. So the issue may be due to incorrect migration. So this is why I'm covering this topic: how to migrate what a WordPress website in the common error series. However, this can be done easily, but yes, you have to follow the exact steps, the correct steps of migration. So we created this wonderful e-commerce website in the last video, and I hope you watched the specific video. This is a very clean and easy to use e-commerce website that you can also build in a very quick time, or in a very less effort. You can launch your e-commerce website and start selling online. And this is live on a domain called Instance 12, let us say. And I am willing to migrate or take this website on another domain. This is a clean and fresh installation, and the website is like using this default WordPress theme as of now. So this is a clean installation simply. So it can be even on another hosting. So the process will remain same that I am going to show you. So let us start migration, and I'm going to show you the easiest and the correct method that you can use, and it is not going to create any issue in future when you are using the actual website, and you have even not tested from the previous tested or compared from the previous domain or the hosting. And I'm going to use a very effective pro plugin that is called WP Migrate, and there is a detailed video on this channel on this plugin, how you can use this plugin for different cases of migration. So this is the WordPress site migration plugin, and it is most trusted by experts. So even we are using at our development programs. So this plugin is being used by us. So at our iCreate program, we are resolving multiple troubles and issues of WordPress website every day, and you are also welcome to ask any question related to WordPress website. We will try our level best to answer your queries and solve your troubles. So it is free, yes, don't worry. Okay, so this is the plugin that I am going to use, and the first step is to install this plugin at both websites, I mean both ends. So install WP Migrate Pro at both ends. And you might be thinking where you can get this plugin, so I'm going to add the link in the video description, and there is light version of this plugin is also available, just in case if you are not willing to go with the pro version. So just search the light version, WP Migrate Lite, maybe there. So I'm not sure because we are mostly using the pro version have this pro version, right? And so it is a wonderful plugin. As I said, and you can check the detailed video. First of all, I'll install the plugin at both ends. I'll go to the backend of this website, and it is the another is already login. So let us install the plugin first. So there is no plugin at this press installation, and I'll install this first plugin, WP Migrate DB Pro, in the latest version. And installation is very simple, so you don't need technical knowledge for doing all these things. Okay, so activate the plugin. Okay. In the settings, what we have to do, we need to enable the pull and push. For convenient, I am enabling both. However, activity will be one during the migration. And we have this connection info as well. So, okay, great. And don't you don't need to check another setting. So only this setting is required. Next, we will use this screen, but I need to install the same plugin on another end as well. So on the fresh website, it is installed, and I'll install the same plugin here as well. Okay, so I installed the plugin at the first domain. So we may call it the first domain at which the website is actually live, and the website which we wanted to migrate. So we can say it in this video, domain 1. So I installed the plugin and enable the same functionality like push and pull for this domain as well. In fact, it is a good idea to install the plugin at domain 1 only, because ultimately we are going to take a backup WP content directory and going to upload on second domain. So the plugin installed plugin will go directly to the second domain. But yes, you can install on anyhow you have to install this plugin and activate this plugin at both ends. Now the next step is to take a zip backup of WP content directory and upload to domain 2. So we can do this simply using our file manager. So just go to the respective domain in the file manager. Like in our case, this is instance 12, WP instance soap. I will confirm it. Yes. We have to make a zip of this WP content directory. Just compress the file, and it will take a while depending upon your host capacity. So I can show you what exact time it is taking for an e-commerce website in my hosting, since it is always recommended to use WordPress optimized hosting plan when you are willing to create a successful and performing WordPress websites. And you can get hosting plans, best hosting plans through the WP Themes website. So link has been given in the video description. You can see the zip is created, and here is the zip file. So we can simply download this. If it is on same hosting, you can even make a copy of this. Like you can even use the copy feature which is available on the cPanel based hosting plan. However, all hosting plan offer such uh, features to copy the directory from one domain to another domain. So in that case, you don't need to make a zip or download and re-upload. So, but the traditional method is to make a zip, because it may vary in your case. So it may be not a same hosting. So this is why I am showing you this step to make a zip of WP content directory. Download the zip. It will hardly take 20 seconds in my case. Yes, it is uh, hardly taking 20 seconds. So it is going very fast, and it is downloaded. Okay. So now zip is created and downloaded. So what I'll do, I'll delete this created zip uh, from the domain 1, as it is taking a space and it is not required now. So I'll come back to the domain 2 now. So uh, I'll go to the file home, and this is the domain 2. Domain 2 means this is this new website, and here nothing is uploaded. The site is looking like this with the default WordPress theme. Only somehow we installed the WP Migrate, which even can be done through the domain 1, right? So don't get confused. You have to install the plugin at at both ends anyhow. So like what we have to do now, since we have taken the zip backup, we will upload the backup to the domain 2. So like this is domain 2, and here what I do, I'll rename or compress it just for backup purpose. And however, you can delete this since it is not uh, going to be used. So I'm just taking a backup just to uh, for reference in case if we want this. So I just rename this chip. However, it was not required. I'm going to delete this WP content. So permanently delete to save the hosting space. And what I'll do, I'll upload the backup that we downloaded. So backup is being uploaded now. And again, it is going to take hardly few seconds. It is going very fast. It depends on your internet capacity and hosting, as I said, but it is a super method that never creates any trouble. Okay, so back to the, and here is the uploaded directory, and we can simply extract this in the same directory. So you don't need to go in another directory while extracting. Once extracted, just delete this uploaded one because we have already extracted it. Here is the WP content of domain 1, right? However, we have backup, but yes, WP content of domain 1 is here. Now, this is the website, domain 2, and when I'll refresh this page, I'll find multiple domains. Since we are using now WP content of domain 1, all the plugins are here, even theme is here, and WP Migrate is active since we have activated at domain 1. So it is WP Migrate is coming. I mean the plugin target plugin is coming automatically. Now what we have to do? Now there is only a very simple process. We will simply go to Migrate of domain 2. Domain 2, go to Migrate of WP Migrate setting, and from the domain 1, you have to copy this connection info code. So simply click on this button, copy on the clipboard, and it will be copied. And on the domain 2, you have to go on Migrate and use a pull feature. So this is the pull feature. However, you can use push feature from domain 1 to domain 2. What I am doing, I'm using pull feature from domain 2 to domain 1. No, sorry, from domain 1 to domain 2. I'm sorry. So I'm just pasting here, and now the connection will be established automatically. You don't need to do any further settings, establishing connection. So now the connection is done, and it is also showing the remote site. So the remote site is instance 12, and the new website is 03 in our case. So domain 2 is here where we can see the remote site which we are importing. So this is here. We don't need to do anything. All should be remain at it. Don't try to change or don't explore anything else. So it is all clear. Just click on the pull. Now pull method is started. It means it is pulling the database only. But database, of course, is a very important part. So you can see how fast it is going, and it is going to work like a magic. So I'll show you the final result, and it never gets failed. If your hosting parameters are correct, it works well, and at our servers it never got failed. So I can recommend this plugin uh, without any doubt. Okay, wait 100% in just few seconds, and it is now logged out since uh, we are now using the first site. I mean domain 1 credentials. Now I'll show you the website. Migration is complete. I'll show you the website directly, and you'll see the magic. Here is the website, which is totally migrated without an error. So just randomly we can check. Like this is a product. We can check this. Yes, it is here. So every function is clear. All the images are here. Since we have seen in our experience, images disappears when you are migrating from one site to another site or one domain to another domain. And as final step, you can simply delete the backup of like mm, what we kept at zip just for reference. So it will save the hosting space, nothing else. Because we are mainly using the shared hosting, and it might be same in your case, and we have to save our HMB and even the KB of our hosting space. So now you've seen how easily it was really, and I have both the website live now. Uh, this is new one and this is the previous one, and there is no difference. Every function is working fine. So you can follow the same method, and you can follow the video description links for getting the plugin and all such references. uh, in the next video, I'm coming with more important topics, so don't miss to watch the videos coming regularly on the channel. If you are anyhow connected to WordPress website, this channel is really going to help you. You have hundreds of themes, plugins, and how-to guides on the channel, and I'm sure it is going to help you in every manner. And if you have any question regarding WordPress website, write in the comment section of this video, or you can even join the direct live chat here. So it is a very, I created a very interactive program. I believe you know this, and you can start a direct chat with a mentor, and the mentors are really available round the clock mostly. But yes, we are also humans. Okay, so in the next video, I'm coming with more resources. And if you like this video, please make a hype of this video and share with the concerns who are going to use these methods of WordPress websites. And it is really helpful. Okay, so let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching, keep reading. Thank you.